How to send Snapchat photos directly to WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a Snapchat photo directly to WhatsApp in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply go ahead and take a snap. And whether it's a selfie, view or anything else, once you have taken the photo, save it to the memories by tapping on the download icon in the bottom left corner. Now once you have saved it, simply tap on send to button which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here on the new page, you can see the share icon button at the bottom right, so just tap on that, and after that a pop-up menu will appear in the mid section. From there, simply tap on WhatsApp. Now you'll be prompted to the WhatsApp page where you can select the contacts. So simply select the contact where you want to send your snap, and once you have selected it, just tap on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on that, you will be redirected to the chat section. Now here in this section, simply again tap on the send button, and after that the photo will be sent directly from Snapchat to WhatsApp. And just like that, that's how you can send Snapchat photos directly to WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.